DF Electric was founded in 1987 in Barcelona. We are a company specialized in the manufacturing of fuse links, fuse holders, and control transformers. The production process is totally integrated into our facilities. Our manufacturing processes are highly automated, fruit of the internally developed technological level, and specifically applied to each production line. From the manufacturing of each product until its final assembly, we try to obtain maximum efficiency, applying ongoing improvement and respecting the most demanding standards. Permanent innovation investment allows us to always offer our clients products with high standards of quality and functionality. Our R&D department consists of a great professional team and the most advanced technologies and tools to efficiently comply with our mission, highlighting the most powerful and versatile design and simulation software that exists. Our laboratory equipment allows performing a large amount of electrical and mechanical tests during the development of new products and periodical controls on those already in production. Our quality system ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certificates are the tools we use for development of our policy integrated into all organizational levels. Our company applies an integrated quality, environmental and prevention policy based on the satisfaction of our clients and suppliers as the fundamental objective. Our international presence positions us a reference in electrical protection. We are fully committed to the care and conservation of the environment. DF Electric, protecting the world.